Welcome to OpenBeam. Today I'm going to show you how to create and apply view filters in a model. Filters are another view configuration and customization tool that can be developed and applied in Revit project templates. They're similar to the filters available in schedules in that they can either display or hide elements matching user-specified criteria. However, filters can also override the graphic appearance of elements within a view. The possible combination and application of view filters is virtually limitless. In this example, there is a 3D view that has a filter applied for the wall category. This filter is highlighting the walls that contain an installation. For this exercise, I'm going to create a filter to change the representation of the structural walls in the example project. To create a new filter, it is necessary to access the Visibility and Graphics Control panel by typing the keyboard shortcut VV or VG. In the dialog, you must pick the Filters tab, which allows you to create new filters through the button Edit New. Always remind that it is not necessary to open a specific view to create a filter. Filters can be created and edited from any view, even if you're not planning to add them to those views. Once a filter is created, can be added to any view or even added to a view template. Let's review the steps to create and assign a view filter to highlight the structural walls of the project. First, select Create the filter and assign the name Structural Walls. Then, check the box of the category or categories needed. Now, the filter criteria must be assigned. By default, there is only one criterion, but more criteria can be added by clicking the Add buttons. Conditionals and/or must be set to work with multiple criteria. Criteria are based on parameters. It is necessary to choose what fits with the instances that are going to be modified by the filter. Besides, conditions link parameters with the information specified in model elements. Since all the structural walls contain the word structural inside the type name, contain becomes the better option. Finally, in the field of the right, parameters must match with information used in type or instances. Using the word structural will link this condition to the model. To exit, just click on the OK button to go back to the Filters tab of the Visibility graphics. So far, the filter has not been assigned to the view. To add a filter, click the Add button, select the filter created in the previous steps and click OK. You can create more filters to define graphic styles for specific elements such as furniture, doors, walls, or slabs. In each column, it is possible to override the representation of lines, patterns, and even turn off the elements contained in the filter. As the visibility box is checked, structural walls remain visible in the model, but if it isn't checked, those elements will disappear from the view. So let's keep it active. Now, to highlight the walls in the view, in the Patterns column, modify the pattern and the color of the cut representation. By applying the changes, we can see how structural walls can have different color from the rest of the project walls. If we want to modify an already created filter, we simply have to enter the Edit New button. There, we can change the filter criteria, the category, or the name. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you liked the content. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for any future video, don't forget to write in the comments bar.